Duterte was nothing before. But because of his values and principles, he shot up to the top. And they were just joking, who is this joker from the South? Sara Duterte, di mo ninyo ganunin. That's a kiss of death to your political career. Itong lahat na ito, nagkakaisa kayo, you will all lose your popularity. The people will hate you. The people will not vote for you. The next time you will ask for their vote. They will remember you. But they will remember Sara, who is standing for her principle of incorruptibility with regards to money, including her father, and you are trying to demonize her because of this confidentiality fund that she was asking. The more na gidaog-daog ninyo siya, the more na you are, inaapi-api ninyo siya, the more na mapapa sa kanya ang mga tao. I'm not a politician, but I am a reader of the mind and heart of the Filipinos. Kayo, Castro, you will receive your political demise the next time you will ask for people's vote. Itong tatlong ito, tatandaan. Pati itong nagsilipatan na ito, na walang prinsipyo at hindi pinanindigan, mga political butterfly kayo.